Good morning, YouTube. Today is the 5th of July 2020, and we're looking at the 4th month of constant blooms on this African violet. As you can see, there are some dead flowers which I will take out. We're deadheading them like that as soon as this is over. But I want to show you that there is still so many buds to go, like here and here and here and over here. So you can see that the plant is constantly putting out new buds as soon as I remove the old flowers. So this is a way to keep the flowers in constant bloom. And if you remember, my first video on this constant bloom subject was on the 2nd of April of this year, 2nd of April 2020. So now we have 4 months, and at that time also it was in full bloom, so the flowers came out earlier than 4 months. So we've got now a timeline showing constant blooms for the last 4 months. So this is very exciting, and I decided to I had an idea, but I didn't have a timeline or how long or how it will look or how thick. But here you can see within a span of 4 videos how this is proceeding. A quick look at my other violet, also blooming. I'm not that assiduous in keeping track of the dead flowers, but so this is a little bit thinner in its presentation. I've not been as forceful in removing the old flowers. And then again, a quick look at the leaf that is self-propagating. Leaf is still healthy, and I'm watering it regularly. It takes 4 to 6 weeks, and I think it's been 2 or 3 weeks before we see new plants. So, okay, so that's my updates on the violets, and particularly focusing on the constant blooms. Thanks for watching.